I may not be the vlogger, but this event is very special and very close to my heart, so I really want to share with my YouTube family. Hi everyone, my name is Dipali and welcome to our channel Civil Dipali. So recently मुझे opportunity मिली to present my work at IIT Roorkee for an international conference. It was something that even I haven't dreamed of. So it all started back in February 2025 जब मेरे गाइड ने मुझसे कहा कि there is one conference at IIT Roorkee, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप अपना काम वहाँ प्रेजेंट करें. I literally took it as a joke because इतनी बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंस थी और उस समय मेरे पास सिर्फ आइडियाज थे. I haven't implemented them, but because of its so much faith on me and his constant support and push, I wrote the abstract. It got selected. Then I wrote the paper and it got selected too in the Springer Journal. It was a shocking moment for me. They invited me to present presentation for my work at IIT Roorkee talking about the campus. It is so huge and so beautiful. Like मुझे नहीं लगता एक दिन में हम पूरे कैंपस को कवर कर सकते हैं. And finally, the time came for my presentation. I presented my work in front of so much esteemed researchers and literally I was the youngest in that room. And when they appreciated my work and my presentation, it was a magical moment for me. I may not be the expert, but from the experiences till now, I can suggest you some tips to outperform in the presentation. Number one, if you are even in the schools and colleges, do participate in the speeches and debates as much as you can. आप अपनी थॉट्स को सामने वाले की तरफ किस तरीके से प्रेजेंट करते हैं ये बहुत मैटर करता है और ये प्रैक्टिस से आता है. नंबर टू, यू शुड हैव कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन द वर्क दैट यू आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट और ये तभी होता है जब आपने अब खुद से वो पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन बनाई हो. इवन ए सिंगल वर्ड इन द प्रेजेंटेशन रिटन, यू शुड नो दैट. And number third, very very important is predicting the questions that can be asked in the Q&A session. एक प्रेजेंटेशन तभी बेस्ट होता है जब आप उसके Q&A सेशन को भी अच्छे से हैंडल कर सकें. The last day we had some time, so क्योंकि रुड़की के जस्ट 1 घंटे की दूरी पे हरिद्वार था, we also went there. हमने गंगा मैया में स्नान किया, भोलेनाथ को ये सारे कार्य समर्पित कर दिए और on the way back पतंजलि योग पीठ भी था, so we visited there. From this vlog, I really want to share one message to all the young researchers. See, there was a time when I self-doubted myself. I thought कि the research is not for me. If you are willing to do your hard work consistently, have faith on yourself, you can achieve anything. Thank you for watching and keep learning from Sil Dipali.
Hi, say hi.